Hi and welcome to Eduglory.com. In this session, we'll discuss about SQL delete and drop statements. SQL delete statement allows the users to remove records from the table, while SQL drop statement is used to remove the table completely. Now, referring to the syntax of SQL delete statement, be careful while deleting the records from the table. Do not forget to use where clause in the delete statement. If you forget to mention the where clause, then all records in the table will get deleted. So, this is how you can delete the records from the table. But at times when you need to remove the table completely from the database, SQL drop statement will help you to do so. Let's take a look at the syntax of SQL drop statement. Drop table followed by the name of table that you would like to remove. For example, consider the table employee. On the basis of this table, if you are asked to delete a row where last name is Williams, then the query would be delete from employee where last name equals to Williams. After executing this query, the row gets deleted and you will get the result in this manner. Now, consider another example where you have to delete all rows from the table. Referring to the table employee, if you are asked to delete all rows, then the query would be delete from employee. After an execution of this query, all the rows in a table gets deleted without deleting the table. Therefore, you will get the result in this manner. Let's understand with one more example where you need to drop the table employee from database. So, the query would be drop table employee. Once this query is executed, the table will be removed from the database.